Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to capture HTTP requests directly from the browser and export them as a K6 script. We can achieve that by using this browser extension Grafana K6 browser recorder that is available in Chrome browser and in Firefox. With this extension installed, go to your web application and open the extension. Click Start Recording and that's it. Access the web application, navigate through it, and when the scenario is completed, go back to your extension and press Stop. As you can see, it will download an iamqarv file that in the next step we are going to convert it into a K6 script. To achieve that, we are going to install a new npm package called har2k6. Open up a terminal and type npm install -d har2k6. In order to use this npm package, we are going to type npx har2k6 followed by the path of the har file that in my case is in the downloads folder. Then type -o and the name of the K6 script file. In my case, it can be script.js. The conversion is done, and as you can see, we have a new script file. The script looks like this. It contains all the HTTP requests that appeared under the hood while we were browsing into our web application. We can simply run them using k6 run script.js. As you can see, the execution is done and there were 37 requests. Simple, isn't it? Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Happy testing!